Hi everybody, my full name is Renan Alves, but people normally call me Renazinho. I'm 21 years old, but I'll be 22 in 2 weeks. I was born Americana, São Paulo. I'm from Santa Bárbara do Oeste. I'm a student of the 4th year of Chemical Engineer at Federal University of São Carlos. In SPO, I live with my parents and my sister. Their names are Dercy, Ivani, and Roane, respectively. We live at Ana Maria Brigadioli Street, number 52. My mother and sister care of a child from Mondays to Fridays. My father works at a metallurgical company. He's a tanner. He works from Mondays to Fridays. On weekends, he works as a bricklayer. I have some skills. I'm a sports lover. I can play soccer and I excel it. I play volleyball and basketball with my friends. I like riding a bike. I feel free. I ride a bike frequently and in SBO. I walk a lot in university. This is necessary. I'm not very good in music. I don't like grammatical rules. I can use a computer well, and I did some informatics course 6 years ago. Then I can format the computer easily and use a platform to I'll learn how to play drums. I think it's a very nice instrument. My days are very ordinary. I wake up early, about 10 to 7 hours. Last month I had breakfast at a restaurant and watched the class. I had lunch and go home to brush my teeth and take a nap. In the afternoon, I watched the class, and at the end of class, I had dinner and go home to take a shower and do my activities until 22 and a half. I must brush my teeth, I read the whole Bible, and I sleep. That month was really busy. I'm a very simple person. I'm a lot neat and dedicated. At university, I participated of extension groups. I was a member of the Chemical Engineer Week. This aims to promote altruism, proactivity, group work, personal academic, and professional development. I worked in the people management area with the selection process, improving the organization climate and training members. I adore having new experience, watching movies and series. My favorite at the moment are Pirates of the Caribbean and Breaking Bad respectively. I hope to be a successful person and I'll help my family. Well, that is all about me. For more information, you can contact me by mail renan.mark.aranha@hotmail.com or by cell phone plus 55 19 988 516197. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.